On this 2010 to 2016 Honda CR-V, B1648 points to an open circuit concern for the passenger's door LF antenna in the keyless access system. In plain terms, the car may not reliably see the key at the front passenger door, so passive entry at that door can be weak, intermittent, or inoperative. The fault area can include the antenna built into the passenger door outer handle, the EXDFR as plus and minus circuits, connector fit or terminal condition, or the keyless access control unit. If other codes are present, check what they mean first so you do not chase this circuit out of order. Start by proving the complaint. Clear the DTCs with the HDS. From the mode menu, enter the self-check, run the self-check, and then check for DTCs again with the HDS. If B1648 comes right back, continue into the circuit test. If B1648 is not indicated, treat it as an intermittent failure. The system is okay at this time, so concentrate on loose or poor connections instead of replacing parts. Next, check whether the keyless access control unit is producing output on the front passenger door antenna lines. Turn the vehicle to OFF, lock mode. Disconnect the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector. Then turn the vehicle to on mode. On the HDS, select keyless access control from the one-push start system menu, enter functional tests, and set up the voltmeter between the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector No. 2 and No. 6. Select front passenger door antenna with the HDS. At this point, you are only deciding whether voltage is present or not. If there is voltage at that connector during the test, the path points to a faulty front passenger's door LF antenna, and the repair is to replace the front passenger's door outer handle. If there is no voltage, do not condemn the handle yet. Move on and check the two antenna wires for an open or high resistance condition. For the open wire check, turn the vehicle back to OFF lock mode. Disconnect keyless access control unit connector A32P. Leave the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector disconnected. Now check continuity on both antenna lines. First, check between keyless access control unit connector A32P No. 22 and the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector No. 2. Then check between keyless access control unit connector A32P No. 6 and the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector No. 6. If both continuity checks pass, the EXDFR as plus and minus wires are okay, and the next call is to replace the keyless access control unit. If continuity is missing, repair the open or high resistance in the wire. Keep this decision clean. Voltage at the handle points toward the door handle antenna, no voltage sends you to the wire check, and good wires after that point toward the control unit. After the repair, verify the repair and confirm the code stays gone by using the same HDS self-check approach used at the start. Clear the DTCs, run the self-check, and make sure B1648 is not indicated. The takeaway is simple. Confirm the code, check for output at the passenger door handle connector, then separate a handle antenna fault from an open circuit or a control unit fault. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.